Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to undo changes in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that you just need to go and log in or register if you of course do not have an account. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home screen, we have my work, and we have boards, which you can go and use. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, some more things about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and undo changes in monday.com. So basically what you can actually go and do firstly is go to the top right corner and click on your profile. Here you can see that you have the trash, so you can go and click on trash, and that's basically where all of your deleted stuff will go. So you'll have everything that you deleted in the trash here. What you can do guys is go and, or you have of course archive. You can always go and click on restore, which will basically undo the thing that you went and deleted. You can also go and check out the, when you go onto the product launch, go to event risk, we can go and click on the activity and click undo on everything that you changed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.